Hey everybody, it's Keith with BobsCNC, again with Robert here, talking about shop talk,
Here with
something like that.
still noted that we're still not best friends.
No.
It's been several weeks now.
Well, has it been that long?
Doesn't seem like it.
Doesn't seem like it at all.
Like it at all.
Yeah, anyway, today, as we're going to finish up our little series on CNC anatomy.
Well, I thought we had another whole page.
Well, we probably do, but I'm
Okay.
getting tired of it.
All right.
Anyway, we want to talk about what maybe you don't, but I want to talk about. Do I want to? Yes, we need to talk about spoilboards.
Glad you could get it out.
Yeah, what took me a while. I got stuck.
Yeah.
It's kind of like when I.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Not spoiler boards, although that would be a better name for it.
No.
Spoilboard.
Well, we actually tried to figure out, should we call it spoil boards or combine it, say spoil boards.
Yeah, is it
as
one word, is it two word? Yeah.
Well, for us, it's one word.
Yeah.
So just get it right. It's one word, spoil board.
The bottom line is you're going to need one.
Yes.
If you have a 3 or 4 or 5 axis machine. You don't actually need one for a revolution, just saying.
No, no,
But,
you don't.
So what is a spoil board?
Well, a spoil board is, it's a board you didn't put in the fridge in time. The spoil board gives you a uniform surface to mount your workpiece on. It also is considered something that can be spoiled because there are times you'll be doing pocket cutting and you'll be cutting out pieces, and the bit of course has to go at least a little bit through the workpiece, otherwise you can't cut out, and so that surface is spoiled until you're able to resurface it again.
Right.
Did
Okay.
I do okay?
Yeah, I think great, yeah.
Man.
So most of the time it's out of MDF.
Yep.
MDF is flat, and also
Relatively.
MDF is porous, so if you have a super big vacuum,
System.
you can actually pull vacuum straight through it, so you can put something on your MDF and pull it through.
Do
However,
you think I can do that in my shop?
you cannot. No, most of them, they're like 220 or
Then why are you
three-phase power.
telling me this? Because
just
now
so
I'm
that you know.
depressed.
Well, because you're going to have to come up with a different way. Now you can.
If I gotta come up with it. Okay.
You can have a vacuum
Yes.
system, however, what you want to do is make a bunch of holes so that you can use a vacuum cleaner or
Right.
a vacuum pump,
Yeah.
right, and pull that out. But now you have to, put rubber around and get it to seals. I mean, it's really, vacuum systems are really great for industrial machines or even actually machining like steels and aluminum. A vacuum table works really well.
So what is the primary way that guys are gonna be holding their workpieces in place?
Yeah, I don't know if there's a primary way, but there's a whole bunch of different ways to do it. I mean, you can use double-sided carpet tape, works really well,
Right?
right? There's a method out there where you use the blue painter's tape and super glue.
I've done it, it works fantastic.
That seems like a lot of work to me, but I'll take your
Oh,
word for
heck,
it.
no, hardly any work. One piece of tape,
Yeah,
you lay your workpiece on top of that, mark the start and the end of the tape,
yeah,
turn your workpiece over, another blue piece of tape on that, make sure that it's embedded
yeah.
well into the surface.
Yeah.
A bead of super glue down the middle,
Complicated.
okay?
See, carpet tape.
Accelerate.
Peel it up.
Oh, yeah, but it moves.
Does
This
it?
doesn't move.
Okay.
Oh.
I've had pretty good luck with carpet tape, but maybe,
You gotta try it. I think
Okay.
you'd like it.
I don't know, you have to write me
Well,
a
you're gonna
process.
find out because I put some super glue on your chair.
So, the other method is that I really like is just inserts. You can take a piece of MDF and
Right.
drill a bunch of holes, get some threaded inserts, and then you can use bolts to clamp down your
Right.
stuff, right? And then the T-slots are pretty popular as well.
Yes.
They're pretty cool.
And and you can, if you make sure that you're cutting inside a margin in your workpiece, you can simply pre-drill holes and screw your workpiece right down to the board.
We've done that a few times.
Yeah.
If we have something that we're trying to make really quick on one of our production machines, it's set up to just do 5 by 5 pieces of plywood. So we'll just take and put some screws right into the spoil
Right.
board to hold it down for a temporary job.
So, I mean, guys, you can.
There's one more method.
Oh, go ahead.
So you were rushing me.
No, I wasn't
You were
rushing.
rushing me.
I had a thought, now it's gonna die of loneliness, so go ahead.
Hold on to that thought.
Yeah, it's gone.
But have you heard of this one where they're shooting plastic nails? What? I'm serious.
No, you're not.
Yes, they're
You're
shooting
making this up.
Plastic nails through it and it holds it, but of course.
You saw this on the internet,
Yeah.
didn't you?
Okay, you guys
There are
investigate
UFOs
that
too.
one. All right,
Go
you
ahead.
guys investigate that one. And then
Really,
I
truly.
want you to send him an email.
Plastic nail.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
What are they shooting it through?
Yeah.
Walnut?
Well, I guess it goes through wood, or maybe it has to be softwood. I don't know much. I've never tried it, but I gotta do
But
something.
you're an expert.
I am not an expert. I'm not an expert at much.
Okay. I'm sorry, that was cruel.
That was mean. This is why we're no longer best friends.
That's it.
I mean, last year we were best friends, but
Yep.
now you have fallen out of favor.
I was never in favor, Bob. So now I forgot what my thought was.
I'm terribly sorry.
And they missed a really great thought, because,
He has a great thought every once in a while.
yeah. If I ever get one again, I'll let you know. If you have any questions about mounting systems, you can get a hold of us at shoptalk@bobscnc.com. Thank you, guys.